Hey, I just want to hop on here real quick and show you how easy it is to grind your own coffee beans in the Deluxe Cooking Blender. So I'm going to turn you around. I bought a bag of Dunkin' Donuts whole beans. Pour them in here. If you don't drink coffee that much, you really don't have to pour the whole bag in if you don't want to. But then I'm going to set it on the grind setting and let it go for about a minute. I'm going to grind mine up pretty good because I'm going to put mine into my Keurig. But if you are going to use our cold brew coffee filter, you would want to have them a little bit more coarse. So it really just depends on your preference of what you want to do. It smells really good. And that's about a minute, so let's see what it looks like. And there you go, you have freshly ground coffee beans. And I'm going to put this in a container with an airtight lid and put it in the refrigerator, and we'll have fresh coffee all week. Thanks for watching.